In this video, guys, I'm about to show you how you can display your product variations in WooCommerce as radio buttons. And as you can see here, we have a variable product, right? And we have a couple of attributes. And as you can see, all these attributes are now displayed as these drop-down lists. And right now we're gonna replace one of them, or maybe even two of them, with radio buttons. And how can we do that? Actually, there are different ways how you can achieve that. Of course, you can do it without any plugins, using code snippets, but these snippets are kind of complicated. That's why I'm gonna show you a plugin approach. So we just go to plugins in our WordPress admin dashboard, and that's actually the plugin we are going to use. So let's just go ahead and activate it. After that, we need to go to attributes, and we need to select a specific attribute which we want to be displayed as radio buttons. For example, in our case, it's going to be size. And let's just go ahead and select its type. Let's change its type to radio, just like that. On that, hit update, and then we can go back to our shop page, yes, and then we need to find this product. I guess it should be somewhere here. Yes, here it is. And as you can see, our size attribute is now displayed as radio buttons. So we can select a specific variation, add it to cart, and as you can see, guys, everything is working. That's pretty much it. By the way, I'm gonna leave a link to this plugin in the description below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm gonna reply to all of them. On that, have a nice day. Bye.